couple of days ago, I made a video on a trade that could possibly be over 700 pips to the downside in the month of October. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact trade, my current P&L on the trade, where I see it going, and how I'm going to manage my risk as I ride the trade to the downside. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. Euro yen. What a beauty. Currently in around 80 pips profit, and it is melting right now. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'll try and put a screenshot. But beautiful trade so far. Around 80 pips in profit. Let's jump straight into the charts. I'm going to run through the overall reasoning behind the position. And yeah, we'll go from there. Right, Euro yen. It was imperative to me that we actually remained below this key psychological level of 143. That was something that was a make or break for this trade. The thing about trading is you have to wait for it to present itself first before then jumping into the trade overall. On the 30-minute time frame, I did spot a reversal today, early hours of this morning, where we actually had what I spoke about in my original call, which was waiting for that reversal. Once you wait for that initial sell-off of a currency pair, and the beauty of this was I simply waited for the prior trading day to show me some sort of slowdown. That is a hanging man. A hanging man at a level of resistance resembles a reversal. So it was a no-brainer for myself today, and I actually gave this trade in my group. Beautiful little short position on that. Obviously, I didn't enter when I wanted to. That was very early hours of this morning, and I was still fast asleep at that time. So I missed that position, and then I simply looked on the 15-minute time frame to wait for a structural play. So my structural play on this one was understanding that, fine, the minute price broke any previous low, it was pretty much my signal to get in, which is pretty much a Fibonacci in the lower time frames. And I literally just entered over there at around 11 o'clock today. So I am looking to still ride this down. My personal sort of first take profit are these lows around here. Let's just look on the hourly. My first sort of take profit are these lows around 140, 150. So if you are in this trade with me, I hope many of you are. I had such great feedback from the breakdown that I hope everyone is with me in this trade. We could be the reason the market's falling, guys. No, I'm joking. We're not trading that much size for that to happen. But currently around 80, 90, about 90 pips in profit on this position right now. What I am going to be doing is once price approaches areas of interest, I'm going to take some profit off. Take 25% off. Once price hits my second key area of interest, which I'll show everyone, is 140. Nice little round psychological level, right? Nice little round psychological level. We see price has acted as a key area of interest in and around those regions. We want to lock in further gains. What I will do is once price hits 140, 150, I will roll my stops to break even. So there is no longer any risk on the table. It's what's called a free trade. The beauty about a free trade is you no longer have any risk on the table. You have taken some partials, so you're at least getting a reward for your money. And then the rest, honestly, is free money. We love free money. I'm sure you do too. So for myself, I am looking at still riding this down a lot lower. Something else that I had that I shared in my live London sessions. By the way, there will be more information on that later in the video. So Swiss yen was a trade I gave on my live sessions this morning. Currently, I've already closed my position, but currently we are floating around 86 pips on that position itself. And then we obviously had gold as well. Such a easy mover. I'll put the before screenshot over here. Such an easy little trade in and around a key area of interest, which I highlighted this morning. We literally just tapped that area, and now we're rolling over nicely to the downside. Given all those dollar strength that we're witnessing over the last few days, there are such clean opportunities in the markets. This was off the back of Fed member Daly yesterday announcing that throughout the whole of 2023, the Federal Reserve are not looking at cutting interest rates at all. So all that has simply done is removed all of that uncertainty around there being a Federal Reserve pivot. What a pivot means is a slowdown in all these hikes. a slowdown in all the interest rate rises that they have been doing. And that is obviously unwind all of that tension. The fact that all of that has been unwound, we've seen that lift in the dollar, which provides such good market opportunities for us. The likes of euro, beautiful meltdown. I shared this morning, early hours of this morning. GBP USD, beautiful trade breakdown this morning from the 113.50 handle. That's over 130 pips to the downside. You got pound yen sliding. Gave that trade this morning too. Easy setups. And I mean, if you just look at this for a second and you realize that the market provides constant stepping stones in my opinion, that's what I call it. That's what I call it. The market gives us these opportunities and these re-entries constantly, even on the lower time frames, to re-enter, right? Lower high, short the shit out of it. Lower high, carry on selling. Lower high, carry on selling. We are currently in the regime of dollar higher, risk off. If that narrative continues, you have simply no excuse but to follow your plan, but also capitalize on these moves. So generally, I would say stay tuned on this channel. There is going to be so much more coming. But for the meantime, keep shorting risk, keep shorting all risk assets, keep shorting gold. Nothing's really changed on this aspect. Euro, keep shorting it. Aussie, short it. Pound, dollar, cable, short it. Kiwi dollar, short it. Euro sterling, a bit of a mixed one because pound is getting hit across the board. So euro sterling is more than likely going to trade higher. Dollar CAD, more than likely higher too. So yeah, all yen crosses lower. Obviously, dollar yen is being a bit slow because we have dollar higher across the board. So just keep that one in mind. A bit of a slow position on dollar yen right now. This position stopped me out personally early on in this week, but literally just sitting there, right? Why? You have a strong dollar, but you also have a strong yen. So it's just stuck at the highs. So that's why for myself, euro yen, I had to take it, right? I had to take it. Swiss yen, had to take it. Beautiful trades. But that's pretty much it for me, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the breakdown. I am going to start doing more of these, sharing some more trades that I am taking. So stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.